graphics. They have 7 stops in this facility. Only 7 because this is all that is needed in this store. And they also have morning and night duty. There are 3 boys and 4 girls stops only. Housekeeping. They make sure their store is organized and they maintain the cleanliness of their workplace. And they also maintain the cleanliness of their store through the word clean as you go, so that customer can follow that. Material handling. They use a trolley cart to speed up their hauling or lifting in case it is heavy and also that they don't have a hard time. And for the products to be delivered, they also use a 4-wheel truck so that the products arrive faster.
Mechanical storage. The store have one CR ventilation or controlled ventilation that help the staff maintain a healthy and comfortable indoor environment, and it makes the staff more active in work. The store have only one fire exit that help them for quick evacuation and reduce risk of injury and death. They also have fire extinguisher to minimize property damage and prevent the spread of fire. Fire safety. The store have fire alarm and they ensure that the fire alarm are installed, tested, and maintained regularly. They are using fire extinguisher to be able to stop fire and prevent the fire outbreak. In case of fire outbreak, first of all is to alert other by activating the fire alarm or shouting fire. Second is evacuate immediately using the fire exit. Define roles and responsibilities for fire safety. Identify the potential hazards. Regularly inspection. First aid kit. The use of fire equipment and emergency evacuation. Electrical safety. The management implemented training to staff to be ready in responding to electric shock, including first aid and medical response.
Occupational health. Some common health problems that the workers are encountering are noise, sound exposure, slip, trip, or fall, then heavy material handling. So to prevent those health problems that the workers are encountering, the management organized an orientation for workers on how they can avoid death or health problems. And also, when the workers get injured, they will get a benefit or they have a health benefits, which is just right.
Observation and solution. The management of Alphamart implemented organized training, seminar, and orientation that help workers for their healthy and safety. While observing the common problem that the workers encounter is the heavy material handling, I think the management should provide more push cart for heavy duty to avoid heavy handling and to avoid injury that the worker might encounter. While doing heavy handling and other things, they only have one fire exit, that management should build more fire exit to ensure the safety of worker and customer if they encounter that the store is in the fire.